Ledger Live Crypto Staking Platform Review. Usage Experience. In today's review, we're diving into Ledger Live's crypto staking platform, a feature designed for those looking to earn passive income from their crypto holdings while keeping their assets secure. Ledger Live is the official app for Ledger hardware wallets, providing users with a seamless experience to manage and stake their crypto directly from their device. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced users who want a user-friendly way to stake assets like Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, and more without compromising on security. The first standout feature of Ledger Live is its integration with Ledger hardware wallets. This means that when you stake crypto through the app, your private keys remain securely stored on the hardware wallet, providing an extra layer of protection against hacks or thefts. You're not trusting your crypto to third-party platforms, which is a massive plus in terms of security. The staking process itself is fairly straightforward. Simply choose the asset you wish to stake, follow the step-by-step instructions, and confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. One of the key benefits of using Ledger Live is its transparency and control. Unlike many centralized staking platforms, Ledger Live doesn't take a cut of your staking rewards, meaning you keep the full benefits of your staked assets. It also offers real-time tracking of your staking rewards, so you can easily monitor your earnings and overall staking performance directly from the app. For those who want more flexibility, Ledger Live allows you to choose from multiple staking providers, giving you the ability to pick the one that best fits your needs in terms of rewards and reputation. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, with an easy-to-navigate dashboard that shows all your staking assets in one place. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting out, the app's design ensures that the staking process is quick, efficient, and accessible. Additionally, Ledger Live continuously updates its supported assets, adding new tokens to its staking options regularly, which means more opportunities for earning passive income as the platform evolves. In conclusion, Ledger Live's crypto staking platform is a solid choice for anyone looking to stake their assets securely and conveniently. With its integration with Ledger's hardware wallets, transparent reward system, and user-friendly interface, it's a great tool for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. If you value security and control over your crypto, this platform is a reliable option that ensures your staking experience is as smooth and rewarding as possible.